how to add workplace on Facebook. Now let's say you want to display your workplace on Facebook. All you have to do is to go to your profile icon right here and click on edit profile right here. After that, you just have to scroll down until you see details and click on add right here. As you can see, there is a segment that says work, so you just have to click on add work button right here and type in or search for your workplace. Let's say right here. And now you can go into full detail as to what is your job on that specific workplace, the location of your work, and you can also describe the roles that you play on that specific workplace right here. Now you can also say the details as to since when have you been hired to that specific workplace as well. Now after you're done editing, all you have to do is to tap on save right here. And now it has been displayed that you work on that specific workplace. So that's how to add workplace on Facebook. Hope we help.